Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a product that could be a real game changer, especially if you're just starting out on the trumpet or perhaps looking for a comfortable, durable replacement mouthpiece. This is the Youngy two-piece set of plastic trumpet mouthpieces. Right off the bat, one of the key things to note is that these are made from ABS plastic. The product description also mentions food-grade plastic, which is reassuring, especially for something that goes into your mouth. The ABS material is known for being quite durable and lightweight, and holding one of these, you can definitely feel that lightness. The item weight is listed at just 0.03 kilograms, which is incredibly light, likely for the pair. This makes them very easy to handle and potentially less fatiguing for beginners compared to heavier metal mouthpieces. The feel of the mouthpiece is described as comfortable, and the smooth finish of the plastic certainly contributes to that. For someone new to the trumpet, getting used to the feel of the mouthpiece is a big part of the learning curve, and a comfortable material like this plastic could make that process a bit easier. It has a modern style, which essentially means a clean, straightforward design. Size-wise, each mouthpiece measures approximately 66.3 by 25 by 25 millimeters. This is a standard size that should fit most trumpets. The fact that you get two pieces in the set is also a great bonus. It means you have a spare right away, or perhaps one to keep in your case and one to keep at home. The main claim about this mouthpiece is that it helps you produce the most precise tone. While a mouthpiece is just one part of the equation, your embouchure and air support are crucial. The design and material of the mouthpiece do play a significant role in how easily you can produce a clear and stable sound. For a beginner, having a mouthpiece that is forgiving and helps guide the air effectively can be incredibly beneficial in developing good habits and achieving a consistent tone sooner. Plastic mouthpieces often have a slightly different feel and response compared to metal ones, sometimes described as being warmer or less bright, which can be appealing to some players. The color is black, which gives it a sleek and understated look. It's a simple aesthetic choice, but it looks clean and professional. Considering these are marketed as a best replacement for your trumpet, and specifically for beginners, they seem designed to offer an accessible and comfortable entry point into playing. The durability of ABS plastic also means they are less likely to dent or scratch compared to brass mouthpieces, which can be a concern, especially with younger players or those who are still getting used to handling their instrument. So, if you're a beginner trumpet player, or perhaps a teacher looking for an affordable and comfortable option for students, this Youngy plastic mouthpiece set definitely seems worth considering. It provides two durable, lightweight, and comfortable mouthpieces designed to help with tone production, all made from a safe, food-grade ABS plastic. It could be just a thing to make those first steps in learning the trumpet a little smoother and more enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.